Good morning, everybody. We're here at SEMA 2025. Lars Johnson, West Coast Divisional Service Manager.
Hi, my name is Paul Lambertucci. I'm a National Service Manager for our service network.
One of our main focuses is to keep shops running. We want to keep you guys going and keep your equipment running. So long after you purchase that equipment, it's in your shop, you're using it, we're here for you.
And it's not only on the piece of equipment that you might have purchased right now. You might have older coach equipment, and we will also take care of that equipment for you as well. What our service network is also known for, it's not only to keep your equipment up and running, but we're problem solvers. So if there are issues with certain applications or whatnot, all of our technicians are fully trained to offer the products needed to keep you going and make your life a lot easier.
We've got over 100 technicians nationwide, coast to coast, that'll help you to keep your shop running. So we've got a full support. We've got great inventory. Our guys carry that inventory on our new well-marked vans.
Not only that we have our own techs from coast to coast, we also have our independent service providers, our service partners in certain areas where we might not have a direct technician, to make sure that you, our customer, is covered with service no matter the territory. Along with the service matrix for repairs, we offer the same thing when it comes to new equipment installation, where we're offering free training, comes along with your equipment.
Our goal is to contact you within 24 hours once we're aware there's an issue and you've submitted a request to us. We want to get out to you, get your shop up and running, because we know it's important to you to be up and running in a timely manner. So we're going to contact you within 24 hours. We're going to find out what your problem is, and in most cases we can get out there and get you up and running within 3 days.
Within 3 days or less, yes. This was just a brief overview of our service network that is US-wide from coast to coast.
Yeah, don't forget, if you need any kind of service, you got some needs, you can always text us, you can call us, you can check our website. Please click comments below if you got any questions, and we'd be happy to help you out in any way we can.
We appreciate your time this morning and look forward to servicing you in the future. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.